I'm currently in the fast train in China. Guys, firstly, please subscribe to my channel. I have to use VPN to update each video. It's very tough. Thank you very much for your support. Your like is very appreciated by me. It's much tougher here. YouTube is banned. Okay, let's get started. Without further ado, yeah, you can see the seats are very beautiful, very comfortable. There's a kitchen, so food can be made here. It's locked. Let's go. You can charge your phone over there. The food is served here. It's a kitchen. Somebody can relax here. Crew room. The staff can relax here. Locker. Spare parts locker. So you can get some water, agua here. Yeah, it's quite spacious. You can store something here. This is a bathroom. This is a bathroom for the disabled. Yeah, it's pretty nice for the handicapped passenger. The seats are very nice. The TV is on. You can put your stuff on the rack. Vacant. Look at the outside. It's a sunny day. Let's check this bathroom. It's very nice. The toilet, waste basket, sink. You can wash your hands here after pooping. There's a waste basket. It's a bigger one. A mirror. You can get dressed here. The door is closing. I'm locked inside this bathroom. Let's go and open it. Oh my god, I don't know how to operate it. Oh, okay. Press the button. This button. Yeah. Okay, very nice. And there's a little table ahead. You can put it up like this. The waste bag. You can put it down. You can put your laptop here. Yeah, the seats are very nice. This is seat. It's very good. People are pretty quiet, so I have to be quiet too.